Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the most important meal of the day, breakfast. If you're looking for healthy breakfast ideas that are easy to make and packed with nutrients, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into some delicious options to kickstart your day the right way. First up, let's talk about overnight oats. These are perfect if you're short on time in the morning. The night before, mix rolled oats with your choice of milk, dairy, almond, soy, or oat milk work great. Add a spoonful of chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3, a dash of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, and top it off with your favorite fruits like berries, bananas, or apples. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, you'll have a creamy, delicious breakfast ready to go. You can also add nuts or a dollop of yogurt for some extra protein. Next, let's move on to smoothie bowls. These are not only nutritious, but also a fun way to enjoy a smoothie with a spoon. Start by blending a base of frozen fruits like bananas, berries, or mangoes with a splash of milk or yogurt. Once you have a thick, smoothie-like consistency, pour it into a bowl. Now comes the fun part, toppings. You can add granola for crunch, sliced fruits, nuts, seeds, and even a sprinkle of coconut flakes. Smoothie bowls are highly customizable, so you can change it up every day depending on what you're in the mood for. Another fantastic option is avocado toast. This is a popular choice because it's simple and packed with healthy fats that keep you full longer. Start with a slice of whole grain bread, toasted to your liking. Mash a ripe avocado with a little salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice, then spread it on your toast. You can top it with a poached egg for some added protein, sprinkle with red pepper flakes for a bit of heat, or even add sliced tomatoes or radishes for extra flavor and nutrients. Avocado toast is a versatile breakfast that's both satisfying and nourishing. If you prefer a warm breakfast, try scrambled eggs with veggies. Eggs are a great source of protein and essential nutrients. Simply whisk a couple of eggs and pour them into a heated pan with a little olive oil. Add in your favorite veggies. Spinach, bell peppers, mushrooms, or tomatoes are all great choices. Cook until the eggs are set and the veggies are tender. For an extra boost of flavor, sprinkle some cheese on top, or add a dash of your favorite herbs like basil or chives. Serve with a slice of whole grain toast, and you've got a hearty, healthy breakfast in minutes. For those with a sweet tooth, Greek yogurt with fresh fruit and honey is an excellent choice. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, and it's a great way to start your day. Simply scoop some yogurt into a bowl, top it with fresh fruits like berries, kiwi, or peaches, and drizzle with a bit of honey for sweetness. You can also add some granola or nuts for crunch. This breakfast is not only tasty, but also provides a good balance of protein, fiber, and healthy carbs to keep you energized. Whether you're in the mood for something sweet, savory, or somewhere in between, there's something here for everyone. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast not only fuels your body, but also sets the tone for healthier choices throughout the day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.